Yeah. Fuck it. Tryna vibe with a beezy, get my mind off this streetsy. Cause everywhere I go, life ain't too easy. But her mouth keep on running, she ain't talking about nothing. All up in my ear and she ain't talking about nothing. Just shut the fuck up. All I'm trying to do is get my motherfucking money up. These girls are way too damn needy, Houdini. And when the bills come, they disappear like a genie. All you wanna do is hold a real nigga down. Yeah, you mad for my success and now you wanna come around tryna just smut me up. You be like, way too much. Just shut the fuck up. I ain't tryna hear none of that stuff. Just shut the fuck up. Running your mouth, talking too much. I spend long days at work, gotta get my money first. Hearing people and their problems, but I got too much knowledge. Got no time for the gossip. Man, that's how these rumors spread. And next thing you know, I ain't laying up in my bed. I'm like, fight. All this drama and these problems, I'm just trying to say, keep it away. You gon' be mad regardless of what I do. I could be the perfect man, a dream come true, but still I'm not the right guy for you. Did I meet your expectations or did I fall short? Should've signed a prenup before I ever went to court. You mad that I'm alone? You mad that I brought the party home? No matter what I do, you tripping in your zone. I don't wanna hear it, just leave me the fuck alone. I'm like, shut the fuck up. I'm all up in my corner trying to do what I must. All up in the studio trying to drop a cut. Opening the door trying to trip like what the fuck. Just shut the fuck up. I ain't trying to hear none of that stuff. Just shut the fuck up. Running your mouth, talking too much. You say I work too much. You say I'm home all the time. You say I'm busy. Now you say I'm lazy like a dime. I'm like tripping. Ain't nothing up on your mind besides me. If you ain't heard from me, then shut the fuck up. I'm tired of your games and the things that you play. Everybody, even the men right now. I'm just talking about me cause I'm here right now. Don't be tripping. Talking about that you thought. If I ain't came up to your face and this shit ain't hot. If I ain't took it to your grill, you know what it's not. And if you real, then I'ma just bring it to my spot. Just shut the fuck up. All I'm trying to do is turn my damn music up. Let it stomp loud so I ain't gotta hear your mouth. It's always running. Now it's starting to freak me out. Always complaining, nagging, whooping on the dumb shit. What you want me to say? Like how was your day? Sit here and talk? Like I was Dr. Phil, let's keep it real. Please, shut your mouth. Just shut the fuck up. I ain't trying to hear none of that stuff. Just shut the fuck up. Running your mouth, talking too much.